Hi, I'm Kenn Hoyumpa, co-owner of Grassroots Kava House. I'm here today to show you how to brew kava on the go with our Grassroots Kava maker. To make kava on the go, you're going to need a few things. You're going to need our kava maker, which includes this ball. And today we're using Ohana kava. And we're also going to need a tablespoon and 26 ounces of water. All right, we're going to start with 2 to 3 tablespoons of kava in the brewing ball. Screw the top on the brewing ball securely. Drop it in our kava maker with the 26 ounces of water. And then shake vigorously. After we're done shaking, you can let it chill in the refrigerator or you can serve it right away. We can just pour it into our convenient shell located at the top of the kava maker. Bula!